Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. So in today's episode of Let's Talk Creps, we're going to be talking about the Air Max 90 Orange Duck Camo. Now if you're new to the channel, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. I upload every Saturday, and with that all being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so a little bit of history about the shoe before I get into it like I always do. Inside the box we have the Air Max 90 Orange Duck Camo, which released back in 2020 and was a continuation of the Duck Camo Packs, which I've mentioned previously on this channel. So if you want to check out them videos, I've covered the Volt Green, the Reverse Duck Camo, and I will be doing the OG Duck Camo shortly after I've covered this one. So yeah. It came in your standard Nike sportswear box, the red and white. Its box logo, its labels there. Its colorway is total orange and black. This is a UK 10, and I believe if you want to pick up this shoe, you currently can on StockX in a UK 10 for about £163. Obviously that can change as we know with the sneaker scene as it is. Anyway, get into the box a bit more. I've taken the tissue paper out like I always do. I don't store my shoes with tissue paper. Makes them yellow. If you didn't know that, you know that now. And yeah, so the shoe itself, it does come with some spare laces. So it came with orange laces, and they come with black laces, but I don't know where they've gone, if I'm honest. I must have put them on a different pair of shoes and didn't check before I started filming in typical style. It also came with your total orange hang tag as well, which is a nice little extra. So getting into the shoes a little bit more themselves, they're constructed of a leather duck camo prints, as you can see here. Going around the mudguard and the sides of the shoe, and it's accompanied by this total orange bright mesh for your toe box going into your sock liner as well. Really leery shoe, but awesome, absolutely awesome. Really happy I've got it in my collection. It goes really well with the other colorways. Probably not my favorite of the three, but definitely a nice shoe nonetheless. Your air surround is black on this with your orange air unit, that total orange. You've got a typical 90 outsole with the black and total orange hits, and the sock liner inside, and the insole you have that black Nike text in there as well, which is very nice. No fancy aglets or anything. One thing that I did mention in my Ghost Green video of this as well is that the Reverse Duck Camo and the OG Ducks have a nice like crocodile snake print, I think we want to call it, on the swoosh, which really adds some layers to the shoe and makes it really nice. But for some reason they just missed out on these ones, and it's a real shame because I really think it would have helped to set the shoe off even more than what it already does. There's no real differences between the shoes other than the print themselves. They will slightly differ, but even then they've gotten pretty symmetrical, which is nice to see. So let's jump to some on foot. Okay, so that just about sums up today's video on this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps you massively growing the channel. Also, comment down below if you've got any questions regarding this shoe or any other shoes I've covered on the channel. It's called Let's Talk Creps for a reason. Let's talk about them. But until next time, I hope to see you all in the next video.